What? Any of this? Come on! There's a lot of keys here! Come on, Liam, give me This isn't even a car key! Shut up! I really feel like you're not even trying right now, guys!
You ripped my t-shirt.
Hey, broke my nose. Twice.
You need a hand?
I'm good. Healed. Broke it again. 2 times.
3 times.
Yes! No!